Here they go. I hear 2001. The test has started. I hear it 2001. I hear it. I hear it coming from that way. I literally hear 2001. I hear it a 2001 going off. It's coming from this direction. I hear it 2001. Yes, sirens are going off. I hear one siren. The 2001 Siren from Richmond is not that far. I don't hear a thunderbolt. What the heck? I don't hear a thunderbolt. Oh, that's so cool. I can actually hear that from my farm, from the farm. I can actually hear the 2001 going off. I'm gonna swim for a minute. I can actually hear it. I'm gonna run over here. I'm gonna get over here better. I literally hear a 2001 SRN. It's down that way. That's the 2001 SRN going off. I hear more 2001s. I think Will has probably failed. I literally hear 2001s. This is an ambience. I'm surprised it's not that loud. There it goes. That's over. I heard the 2001s go off. But I did not hear a thunderbolt. I'm so sad. I hear 2001 over there too. Oh, that was a good test. Oh, that was a test. Thanks for watching, guys. That was a test from Memphis of the Richmond Siren Ambience. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.